Yeah, well, a lot of them have got love notes. A lot of them, they're obviously mementos of some sort. And the concept of the lock is obviously fairly permanent. So I think it's people's way of sort of showing, creating a memento of an event or some special moment in their life. I don't know, because we're not from Melbourne and we just saw this and we thought it was great. It's just a wonderful little thing, and I reckon probably in a couple of years this is going to be
like completely filled with locks.
Completely filled with locks, as Sophia said.
Because this is such a beautiful bridge, people want to put their locks with their names and whatever else they choose to write, and I believe it brings them good luck. So, yeah.
Do you do any?
No, I don't have a lock with me at the moment that I want to put on. I have one, but I need it for work. So, yeah. Otherwise, I would. I don't want to get some bad luck.